Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wished you could mix and match different design sizes in one Canva project, you're in for a treat. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to combine multiple page sizes all in one Canva file, thanks to an exciting new feature released for 2025. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to keep all your designs, whether it's Instagram posts, presentations, or even website pages, together in a single, organized Canva project. Perfect for when you need a consistent look across platforms or just want less clutter in your workspace. Alright, let's jump straight in and make this happen. First, go to Canva. If you're already logged in, you'll land right on your dashboard. If not, just sign in as usual. Canva's interface hasn't changed much, but this multi-size feature adds a whole new level of flexibility. Once you're on the dashboard, click Create up in the top corner. Think of this like opening a fresh sketchpad, ready for whatever design ideas you want to bring to life. In the search field, type Instagram post. I'm using Instagram as an example, but you could just as easily start with another format if you prefer. Canva gives you tons of options right off the bat. Once you select Instagram post, it will load a blank page in the typical square Instagram size. Now here, where the magic happens. Look down near the bottom of your design, the area where you normally add new pages. There's now a subtle drop-down arrow right next to the Add Page button. This tiny arrow is what unlocks Canva's multi-size power. Click it, and you'll see a bunch of choices for different page types. You're no longer limited to just duplicating the size of the original page. Instead, you can add a new page designed for a website, a presentation, video reels, and many other options. For example, let's say you're working on a social campaign. Your first page is an Instagram post, but you also need a vertical reel for Instagram stories, plus maybe a presentation slide for a pitch meeting. With this dropdown, you can add all of these different formats into the same project file. It keeps your branding consistent, and more importantly, it makes editing a breeze. You don't have to open separate files for each size. Once you select the type you need, Canva adjusts the new page to fit that format. You can switch back and forth between pages, seeing how your content adapts across different layouts. If you need to tweak something, say, adjust a logo size or rework text so it fits better for a presentation, it's all in one place. It's a real game changer if you've ever felt bogged down by having tons of separate designs floating around. Don't worry if this feels a bit different. Take your time exploring the page options in the dropdown and see what works for you. This part might take a few moments as you scroll through the types, but once you try it out, you'll get the hang of it. That's really it. You can now build multi-size projects in Canva without any fuss and keep your workflow seamless. Remember, this feature is brand new, so play around and see the possibilities for yourself. Thanks so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, and if you run into any questions, drop them in the comments. I always read and try to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, helpful Canva tutorials and design tips. See you next time.